Hello, good morning students. This is Tiru Sir, your English teacher. So welcome to the online classes of Sri Eknathra Kharchi Talent English School, Mukdanagar. So the students, we have already discussed the first chapter. Now we are going to discuss the second chapter. In first chapter we have already discussed the phrases, sentences. So now we are going to read the kinds of sentence. So how many types of sentence are present in grammar section? So we have already write the definition of the sentence, right? So now we are going to write the partition, the kinds of the sentence. So there are four types of sentence are there. How many types of sentence? There are four types of sentence. First one is assertive, interrogative, exclamatory or imperative. Okay? So the sentence are four kinds. How many kinds? Four kinds. One is assertive sentence, second one is interrogative sentence, third one is exclamatory sentence, exclamatory sentence. Fourth one is imperative sentence. Okay, so make it sure. So these are four types of sentence. First one is assertive sentence, interrogative sentence, exclamatory sentence, imperative sentence. Okay, just make it, just take it the screenshot. Then after one by one we are going to discuss. Okay. Sentence. So assertive sentence, it gives only statement. Okay. What? It makes it makes a statement. Okay. So the statement has been divided into two parts. It can be of two parts. One is affirmative, another one is negative. First one is affirmative, second one is negative. So both of sentences are coming under the assertive sentence. For example, I say, example, affirmative. I go to the market. Here example, I don't go to the market. Both are the statement, but this is yes statement, this is negative statement. Understand what I am saying? This is also statement and this is also statement, but this is positive statement, this is negative statement, but both are coming under the statement. So which sentence creates a statement? That sentence is called assertive sentence. What sentence? Assertive sentence. It has given some number of examples for you in your textbook, so you can easily even identify. Now we are going to discuss the interrogative part. So keep in mind and write this, then after we will discuss another part. So take the screenshot. Okay, good. Now we are going to discuss interrogative. So in this interrogative sentence, which create questions. So write it. In interrogative sentence, ask a questions. Ask a question. You may write in our life. So we are making different type of questions. Where are they going? What are they doing? Are you going to market? Are you going to temple? Where are you going? What's your hobby? What's your favorite dish? So different type of questions we are making. That is called interrogative sentence. So some example I will write here. Simply you can say that what is your name? It's also questions, and questions always followed with question mark. Question always means an interrogative sentence always followed with question mark. You have to keep in your mind that whenever you saw question mark in a sentence, you have to understand that that is interrogative sentence. And if you see the full stop in a sentence, you have to think that there is a statement. I mean, there is a assertive sentence. So understand properly, and you can identify whether it is interrogative sentence or assertive sentence. I have told you sometimes before that assertive sentence has been divided into two parts. One is negative, another one is affirmative. Both are statements. So though it is both a statement, that's why the sentence are called what? Assertive sentence. So keep in mind properly. Now this is interrogative sentence where we can see question mark and we can use some devilish words. So these all are coming under the question mark. Next we can example, can you help me? Can you help me? So this type of sentence we call what? Interrogative sentence. Now we are going to discuss negative sentence. So write this properly. Not negative sentence. Now we are going to discuss exclamatory. This is known as exclamatory sentence. Exclamatory sentence will what? It creates sudden emotion or action. Um, some sudden sadness, some happiness, some surprise things. Okay. So first, right, the sentence express a strong feeling. It expresses it expresses strong feeling. That is maybe sad or that is maybe happiness. So it's a strong feeling. Okay, that's called exclamatory sentence. For example, we see an exclamatory sentence. How do we feel? By using this symbol. This is called exclamatory symbol. Okay. So by this thing, by this point, we can understand that whether the sentence, which sentence. So easily we can identify. So what beautiful a flower it is. What is sad? You can write how foolish he is. कितना गधा है, कितना बड़ा गधा है. That is also surprising. How wonderful, कितना सुंदर. So that our expression shows some surprise. So whenever we are surprising something, that things whenever to expressing to someone who have to use in an exclamatory sentence. So keep in mind properly. What a lovely flower. I say, or just I say, what a beautiful flower. What a beautiful flower it is. So whenever you are expressing some sudden feeling or sudden emotion, that's called exclamatory sentence. Keep in mind. Understand? Okay, good. Write down it. Next, we are going to discuss the next last part. That is imperative sentence. What do you say? Imperative sentence. Imperative sentence generally creates some command, order, request. Okay. It expresses uh, request, commands, and advice, and advice, etc. Called imperative sentence. For example, if I say somebody, at you home also sometimes father will say, बेटा छोड़ दे डोर, बेटा डोर बंद कर दो, बेटा खाना लेके आओ, बेटा गिलास में पानी लेके आओ. Is or not? Sometimes your parent asks to you like this, बेटा टीवी स्विच ऑफ कर दो, बेटा मेरा मोबाइल लेके आओ. Sometimes mommy, mother also asking to you that, बेटा थोड़ा पानी लेके आ जाओ. Isn't it? So whenever they are asking, it might be request or it might be order. Some they're making order, somewhere they can request. Isn't it? Some making order, some making request. So whatever may be, these all are coming under the imperative sentence. For example, if I say example, please give your pen. Sometimes you are asking to your friends, neighbor friend, that if you don't have pen, you are asking to him that please give me your pen. So please give me your pen. That is a request. When it is a request, is coming under the imperative sentence. So keep it in mind. Suppose if you say, your teacher will say, open the window. Simply, what do you say? Open the window. That's the sentence. Some commanding. Stand up. Stand up, everybody. Stand up, everyone. So when they're saying, that is called command. Stand up. Stand up. So these are called what? Imperative sentence. Keep in mind properly and try to understand. And how many questions the test yourself he has given for you? Okay, so properly practice it. I hope you can understand properly. So exercise, test yourself. 1, 2, 2 test yourself it has given for you. So try to answer it. Okay. Understand this and try to answer it. 2 test yourself. Write in your notebook. I will see next time. And write your notebook and show to me. Okay. So the lesson has been completed. Next session we are going to discuss another lesson. Okay. So then keep watching different videos whenever I'm sending to you. And this session already completed. Next session we are going to discuss with another chapter. So wherever you have any doubt, you can ask to me. And one more thing, in this grammar book, if you have any doubt, the backside answer also present. If the answer also you do not understand, you can ask to me. I will explain to you. Okay. Bye bye.